A faction of the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association says Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is their preferred successor to President Emerson Mnangagwa, whose second and final term ends in 2028. Pakaipa mhuri yeZimbabwe sarapinda mashoko atogwa nemaWar Veterans aiwa achibheka VP Chiwenga vachiti is the one to rule nyika yeZimbabwe since ED Mnangagwa is stepping down amid 2028. Noti bva subscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Nokuti tinoda kuti panapa Matibela, one of the War Veterans, another mashoko kuti War Veterans and we are sure the same goes for Zimbabweans who are politically conscious are wondering what exactly underlines these dangerous assertions from a person like Eddie Cross. Chiwenga is one of our own who fought for this country. He is a decoded soldier who has the ability to rule this country. He is someone that we believe has the capacity to end the madness that is happening in this country, where people can sabotage an economy at will and will scot-free. We believe this madness can be stopped by a trained cadre because that cadre needs to have discipline installed in him at training, and we believe Chiwenga is all that. Mashoko anotaurwa panapa naMatibela achiti aiwa VP Chiwenga ndo ari preferred, ndio watinotoda kuti apinde pachigaro kuti akukwanisa kusimudzana kubooster economy yeZimbabwe. Amene tichipotedza mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pemashoko ake sezvo zviri kuitika patiri kuona kuti ED Mnangagwa is chanting a slogan yekuti 2030 ED anenge aripo. Chipotedza mafungiro enyu pinai comment section medu, subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.